In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to link cards in Trello so you can connect related tasks, organize your workflow, and move between boards without losing context. Linking cards is one of the most powerful but underrated features inside Trello, especially if you're managing multiple projects or working with a team. By the end of this video, you'll know how to connect one card to another even if it lives on a completely different board. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Trello tutorials. Let's get started. First, open Trello and navigate to the board where your main card is located. In this example, we're going to the Agile board. Once you're inside the correct board, look through your lists and find the card you want to link from. This is the card where the connection will be added. Now, click on the card to open it. For this walkthrough, we're selecting the Data Analytics Podcast card. When you click it, the card detail view will open, showing the description, activity, checklist, and all available options on the right-hand side. On the right panel, look for the Add button or the section that allows you to add additional elements to your card. Click on Add, and from the available options, choose Attachment. The Attachment feature allows you to attach files, links, or even other Trello cards. This is exactly what we're going to use to create the card link. After clicking Attachment, you'll see a search bar where you can paste a link or search for content. Instead of pasting an external URL, type the name of the Trello card you want to link to. For example, type Branding Guidelines. As you type, Trello will automatically search across your boards and suggest matching cards. This works even if the card is located on a completely different board, as long as you have access to it. Once you see the correct card appear in the drop-down results, click on it. Trello will instantly attach that card as a linked card attachment. You'll now see it listed inside the attachment section of your original card. To confirm everything is working, simply click on the linked card inside the attachment area. Trello will immediately open that card, even if it exists in another board. This makes it incredibly easy to connect related tasks, reference documentation, or tie together different parts of a larger project without duplicating information. And that's it. You've successfully linked one Trello card to another. This method keeps your workflow clean, prevents duplication, and helps your team quickly navigate between related tasks. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more Trello tips and productivity tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.